In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your Wix website fit all screens with this full responsive guide. As we know, creating a website that's visually appealing on every device is essential in today's digital landscape. Whether your visitors are viewing your site on a desktop, tablet, or mobile phone, it's crucial that your content looks great everywhere. So let's dive right in. First and foremost, you'll want to ensure that everything looks great on your desktop site. Open your Wix website editor and navigate through your pages. Take the time to thoroughly check all your visuals, text, and any interactive elements like buttons or forms to make sure they're displaying correctly and proportionally. If you notice anything out of place or distorted, now is the perfect time to make those adjustments. This is a good practice to adopt, because starting with a clean and organized desktop version will make the process easier when optimizing for smaller screens later on. Once your desktop version is in tip-top shape, it's time to shift your focus to mobile. You might have noticed a small phone icon located at the top of the Wix editor. This icon is your gateway to the mobile view of your website. By clicking on the phone icon, you'll instantly switch from viewing your site in desktop mode to mobile mode. This transition is critical because it allows you to see how your website's content is rearranged and resized for smaller screens. Here, it's important to remember that mobile users interact with websites differently, typically using touch rather than a mouse, which can affect how certain interactive elements function. As you examine your site in mobile view, pay close attention to any issues with alignment, overlapping elements, or any content that appears distorted. You might find that some text boxes are too large, or image dimensions aren't suitable for mobile screens. These discrepancies are common. Thankfully, Wix offers you tools to easily adjust these elements. For example, you can resize certain sections, move them around, hide elements that aren't mobile-friendly, or even use the aligning tools to ensure everything is perfectly centered and aesthetically pleasing. While doing this, it's also vital to consider the user experience. Ensure that pages load quickly and all interactive elements are easy to tap without causing frustration. Consider adding calls to action that are clear and easy to interact with for a seamless user experience. By following these steps, you'll not only ensure your site is visually appealing, but also promote higher engagement and interaction from your audience. Taking the time to perfect your site for all device sizes will pay off in the long run, as it enhances user experience and reflects your professionalism. In the world of web design, a responsive site is a successful site. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide has helped you create a truly responsive website on Wix.